This is Science Rocks, and we're here today with Simon from Maker Club to talk about robotics. What's Maker Club about?
So Maker Club is an online learning platform that teaches programming, robotics and electronics to guys like yourself. And we're most interested about getting, I guess, the learning so you can create your own robots, your own inventions.
How did you get into robotics?
So I did electronics with computing university, so University of Nottingham, and from there I actually went into programming for about 10 years, and then I realised that when 3D printing got involved you could actually start making motors do something. So before I just had motors that would spin and you can't really, there's no fun there, but as soon as you can bring 3D printing into the world, then you can do your CAD designs and you can actually make robots yourself from home for cheap.
How important is it to study existing designs when designing new products?
I think it's really important. I think so often you try to think about try and do something for the first time, and actually almost everything's been done before. So from when we did the car, we took apart lots of different cars, and we actually saw that there were 3 or 4 different ways to do something. We just picked the best car and the best, for the driving purposes, and we just picked the one that we thought was the best and reverse engineered it. And actually, I found that that's a really good way to learn how to do any sort of invention or design.
So how does this work?
So we've actually invented our own chip here, which is called the Maker Connect, and this is an Arduino compatible chip that we've put our own different integrated circuits onto. So here we've got a servo controller which controls different servos and motors along here, and then we've got a motor controller here, so we can control up to 16 servos and up to 2 motors back and forwards, which gives us a lot of scope for all the different projects that we want to do. And then on the back here we've got a Bluetooth chip, which means that we can connect our phone to the chip to make it remote controlled. And this is the mobile app that we've created, and this is also obviously on Bluetooth, so this connects to the chip and controls the car or whatever project or invention you've made over the phone.
How do you plan to engage people with using your kits?
So we've actually got a makerspace down in London Road in Brighton, and we want to open that up as a community space to get as many different workshops and other really good digital educators in Brighton involved. And then we're also doing an online learning tool, so we're actually making a platform that will be hopefully as fun as possible for guys like yourself to get on, learn, collaborate and invent, basically.
Thank you. This is Science Rocks.